Have you tried this fish pepper soup for sinuses, fever, typhoid, and for severe cold? If you have severe cold, you're dealing with sinuses, you have a lot of backache, you have a lot of bone ache, and you feel headache, nausea, this is something you can make for anyone around you who is going through such situation, and I promise you that person will get healing quickly. All of these herbs will help you heal so fast. Get this done right quick. If you want to see how I put all of this together, come on, let's get right into the video. This is something you can quickly do for your husband or your family or anyone around you who is running fever, who has sinuses. You can do it with yam, plantain. I'm going to be doing this with potatoes. This is one of my husband's favorites, so I'm going to be doing it with potatoes for him. Let's go to the pots, guys. I'm going to go in with my fish, but first of all I'll go in with my rosemary. I'm going to add my potatoes in. For a little bit before I go in with the fish, because this potato is sweet on its own and the fish will dissolve immediately I add it in. So I want to cook in this potatoes first, so it will be soft a little bit before I go in with the fish, so the fish will not break completely. So guys, I'll remove this lid and move this to the side. I did this because I want the potato to cook down for a little bit so that the fish won't waste time, because this is not a pepper soup to waste time. This is for a sinuses patient. So the next thing that will be going in is my bitter leaf, lemon and lime. Next is my pepper soup seasoning. This is straight from Africa. This is where all the power is, all the powerful medicine. So you want to put enough. So this is my marinade. It has a lot inside. It has turmeric, ginger, garlic, lemon, lime, yeah, because I used to make it with lemon, lime, celery, cilantro, and onion. So my husband loves this a lot. Yeah. This is fever medicine. I hope he will enjoy it because he likes sweet mouth. But yeah, I have to help him. He has to feel better. This is for him. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Try this for your hobby. Try this for your friends. Try this for your loved ones. They will say thank you for helping me to get better. You know, our husbands are our babies, so we have to help them whichever way we can. So guys, I added some more water here. You know it's pepper soup. I'm going to add some more peppers because this will help to heal sinuses. If you don't know, peppers will help to heal sinuses. Real good. So if you have sinuses, make some fish pepper soup just like this and make sure you add enough peppers. So I'm going to add onions. I'm going to add some crayfish for tastes. I know fish has its own beautiful taste, but yeah, I'm going to quickly have a taste because of the crayfish. I need to add some salt. I'm using Star Maggi. My friend's mother sent this to me when she traveled to Africa, and she gave her mortar and some other things for me. So a very big thank you to my friend and her family. Yeah. This fish is nice. All of those lemon, lime, and every herbs I added to the marinade will help him heal. Like one time, cloves, mkporozuza, which is black peppercorn. I have Oda in my pepper soup spice, and some other very helpful herbs. This will really help him. Have you done pepper soup like this before? Which is the fever healer. Guys, there's a lot I learned too. There's so much I learned by the grace of God. So it's not my fault. Just be learning it as I'm dishing it out to each and every one of you. This will be very helpful to your family members. I promise you. This is also good for a newborn mom. I can assure you that. This is also good for anyone who is running temperature. And you see, oh my goodness, I remember those days in Nigeria, all the ogas, the head of departments in my office where I used to supply them food. When it's raining season, I have different meal I prepare when it's raining season, and they will never forget me for that. Anytime they call on me, madam, we want you to do those things you used to do. I'm running temperature, this fever, this cold, it's really hitting on me. And when I make things like this, like with point and kill fish, sorry about the noise, guys. This is so good. This is really good, for real. So fam, I hope you're going to try this. This is very helpful with the bitter leaf, with the scent leaf, and all of those herbs. It will help you for sinuses, it will help you for fever, to help you for typhoid, especially with fresh fish. It's going to work wonders in your body to cleanse you. It's like a detox soup, and this is always good for us, those in the diaspora, if you know what I mean. So guys, this is it. Our pepper soup is ready. I'm about to serve it to hubby just as piping hot. Yeah, this is what you can do for your hobby, guys. I promise you, he will be fine. My husband will be well now after taking this. I don't like seeing him sick at all. I don't like it, so I know he'll be fine. Isn't this delicious? Guys, this is so good. I hope you try this for your hobby, for your children. If they will take spicy, this will help them real good. I gave Emanuela some pepper soup, not the fish though, because the fish is just for daddy and daddy alone. So yeah, we are all done, guys. Give this a try and I'm sure you will love. Be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao. See you in my next video. This is so good. So guys, this is how we are serving it to hubby right away in the hot pots. This is how hubby is about to enjoy this now. I did one man pot. This is for fever, for sinuses and so on. Try this, guys. You will tell Guchies. Thank you, Guchies. This is for my 3,000 subscribers. Yes, free tip for my 3,000 subscribers. Woo! All right, cha.